How can an investor find the right mutual fund for them, and what are the factors to be taken into account to pick the right mutual fund? Financial planner Mr. Ramalingam will explain this to you now.
It depends on you as an investor, and depends upon the goals you have got, depends upon the time frame you have got, depends upon the risk appetite you have got. If you are a first time investor, then investing in like a conservative large cap funds can help. If you have a 5 years time frame, large cap funds can help. If you are an investor already who have invested in stock market, you understand the market cycle, you are comfortable to take risk, then investing in mid cap and small cap can help, provided you have 7+ years time frame. If you have extremely longer time frame like 10-year, 15-year kind of time frame, investing more money in small cap can help. And I'm sure, like as an investor, you will have multiple goals, right? You have a goal which is like you have to meet end of 5th year. You may have goals to meet at the end of 10th year. You may have goals to meet at the end of 20th year. So for these different goals, different combination of categories needed, right? When you go to a doctor, like he will not give you one single medicine for your like fever or cold, a simple cough and fever. He will be giving you a combination of medicine. Similar to that, you have to choose a combination of schemes, combination of large, mid, small, flexi cap, multi cap. You have to do it. When you have to be extremely careful is when you are investing only in small cap, only in sector specific fund, only in thematic funds. Those are complete risky area. So before doing it, you have to understand what risk you are taking. Otherwise, like it can like create like a negative impact in your portfolio in the long time. Right? So my suggestion is, please sit with a mutual fund distributor or a professional financial planner and decide what kind of combination to have instead of invest, because when the market is going through a crash, large cap funds will fall lesser. When the market recovers, large caps will recover first, right? During a bull run, uh, mid cap and small cap will have a very good run. So different category of funds performs at different point of time. Every category of fund has its own purpose. So based on your goals, risk appetite, time frame you have got, sit with your mutual fund distributor and financial planner and decide in which combination to invest, what kind of allocation to do.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.